Hello and welcome to Impactful Innovation with Commercis. I'm David McLelland, and over the course of this podcast series, we're going to be telling the story of the surprising ways in which technology innovation is profoundly impacting our lives, our work, and the world around us. And we're not just about innovation in the places where we might expect to find it. Digital doesn't only happen on the west coast of America, Northern Europe, or in East Asia. We're going to be shining a light on impactful innovations from all around the world, particularly in areas where one might think of as underserved by information communication technology. And information doesn't come without its challenges, of course. From climate impact to cyber attacks, we'll be tackling head-on the risks that come alongside the rewards.